Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are discussing another real-time issue, and the issue is that user is getting this error which you can see on the screen. PP consultant is trying to post one transaction CO11N, and in that user is getting this error. Okay, so the error is interval 61 subobject 2020 to year 2024 does not exist for object type rf underscore BELEZ. Okay, so it seems like some number range is missing. So how we can check is that we can verify this object type. Okay, so the transaction code to check the object type is /n SNRO, and give the object type here and display. So we can see that this is accounting document number range for accounting document. So now let us check the accounting document number range, and the T code for checking the number range is FBN1. So the company code we have is 2020, and display the number range. So as the error says, interval 61, right? Interval is 61. 2020 is the company code, and this is fiscal year 2024. So let us check the number range 61. So we can see that 61 number range was maintained till 2023 fiscal year only, and 2024 is missing. So we need to maintain this number range. The same number range we are going to maintain. Just go back and click on interval 61 fiscal year 2024. This is the starting number. This is the end number. Now let us see whether 61 for 2024 is added. Okay, so we can see here this is the number range we have maintained for 2024. Now let us save this. So that's all. Now this error will not appear when the user is doing the transactions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for my new videos. Thank you so much.